investors, how are you? How is your day going? How is your week going? It's a weekend here while I'm shooting this video. I hope your week is going good. Okay, so today I want to talk to us a little bit about buyback investment. I know you have been seeing it on my various social media platforms about buyback investment. Some of you understand what it means and some do not understand it. So I'm going to use this platform and this opportunity to explain a little bit about what buyback investment is. Now, buyback investment is an opportunity for you to take the money that you have. If it's not enough for you to maybe buy a land or a house, you can still leverage on the real estate industry and use the money that you have to make more money. Now, instead of leaving your money in a bank or leaving it somewhere that is fallow, where it's not really producing much money for you, you can leverage on our buyback investment. Now, I'm going to describe to you what a buyback investment is, okay? Now, yes, this is what buyback investment simply is. Some real estate companies have actually used their platform as an opportunity to further enrich subscribers. This is how they do it. Some real estate companies have lands and houses that they can use as a collateral for you to invest your money with them and leave it with them for a particular period of time and then collect back that money with an interest. It's just like what's happening with the treasury or mutual accounts, whereby you leave your money in the bank or maybe fixed deposit. After a period of time, you get an interest with that money back. Now, what these real estate companies are using as leverage is their lands or houses, where they ask you to involve some as little as 500,000 and as much as 100 million into their real estate. You just invest it with them, leave it for them for a period of 6 months, 12 months, or even 9 months, and then collect it back with a return of 10%, 15%, 20%, or even up to 50% in some cases. This is the benefit of you investing in the buyback investment. The benefit is this: that money, if you're this investor that have maybe little money or some money that you're keeping for a future project, let's say you need some money to buy a piece of land, your choice piece of land, and you don't even have up to that amount, you can invest in a buyback, leave it for a period of time, collect back your capital with an interest. For example, let's say you have 10 million naira, and one of the buyback investment companies that I am liaising with, or I am their realtor, is actually giving you up to 40% interest rate if you invest your money with them. Now, let's say you take 10 million naira, put it in a buyback investment plan, and leave it for a period of 12 months. Do you know that your 10 million naira is actually giving you almost 4 million naira in 12 months? And that money, you didn't use it to buy anything, you kept it there. After 12 months, you are liable to collect your interest plus your capital and then use it to go ahead and do whatever you've been keeping that money for. Isn't that a good thing? Another wonderful thing is that buyback investments are not capital intensive. With as little as 500,000 naira, do you know that you can keep your money? You can keep for money for a long duration, as much as 12 months, or you can keep it for as little as 6 months. Every time you keep it 6 months, 12 months, or 9 months, you get an interest. Now, like I said, with as little of 500,000, you are good to go. We have the necessary insurance and documents to buy back, to actually prove to you that your money is safe and secure with us. It's not a gamble, it's not MMM. It is actually a platform that we are using to enrich our customers who do not have enough money or up to the said amount to buy their choice land or their choice houses. This is an opportunity for you to let your money work for you. Yes, have that little money you have kept somewhere, let it be working for you, let it be producing more income for you. Okay, so this video is actually a short video, so I cannot really explain so much. If you want more information on this buyback investment, just give me a call right now.